Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Fess It Up Soul Line Dancing, and I am here to present the dance TMF. The music is TMF, the artist is Saint Harrison, the choreography is Ziggy, DJ Chocolate Shake, Superfly, and Brown Sugar. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction for this dance, I'll post it at the end of this video. Also, please check out the 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. You can book your room right now. Registration is open right now. Go to www.LMIUNOLA.com, and here we go. And there you go. TMF. I apologize, I could not find a clean version. I apologize, I could not find a clean version. Also, reminder that I'll put them post the instructional right here, step-by-step instructions. Also, check out the NOLA Southern Experience 4-day line dance weekend, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. For detailed information, please visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.